I'm Tess and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you step by step how to make crispy oven-baked chicken thighs. Real easy and real good. Stay tuned. The first thing I do is clean and trim the chicken thighs. You want a nice cap of fat over the top and trim the excess fat around the edges. I also trim any excess fat from the back and any residue from butchering like membranes and veins. When I season the chicken, I want some of the spices under the skin, so I make sure the skin cap is loose. You may need to break the membrane between the chicken and skin, and it breaks easily with your fingers. Finally, I pat both sides of the chicken dry and then add them to a large bowl. I'm drizzling the chicken with a couple tablespoons of oil, and I'm using avocado oil. You can use the oil of your choice, but choose a high-temp oil because the oven will be preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Giving the chicken a toss in the oil to get evenly coated, and then I'm adding in my spices. Here you can use whatever seasoning that you like. I'm using my homemade Hickory barbecue seasoning, and I will leave a link for that video recipe here and also in the Show More section below. I have also used Lowry seasoning salt or some adobo seasoning. Giving the chicken a good toss, and remember to get some of the seasoning under the skin. You can marinate the chicken for a couple hours before cooking, but tonight we are hungry. I have my oven preheating to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The high temp is going to help crisp that skin right away. Putting the seasoned chicken on a wire rack so they cook more evenly, and remember to keep some space between the pieces and don't overcrowd. The chicken thighs are going into a 425 degree oven for 25 minutes, and then I'm turning the oven down to 350 degrees for another 20 to 25 minutes. The internal temp of the chicken should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit to be safe, but I like the chicken more at 180 to 190 degrees so it is fall off the bone tender. The chicken is done and smelling good. The skin is nice and crispy. I'm letting the chicken rest for a good 10 minutes before serving so all the meat juices can redistribute, and this keeps the chicken juicy. Serving tonight with some red beet eggs and fresh corn on the cob. I also have a video recipe for oven-baked barbecue chicken, and I will leave a link for that video recipe here and also in the Show More section below. If you're looking for an easy, crispy, and delicious oven-baked chicken recipe, here you go, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!